Welcome back to the channel, guys. Green Country Custom Baits. We're going to be doing crawl patterns again today. We're staying along that same pattern where we're doing multiple colors, P, B, and J today in a crawl pattern. Let's go spray some paint. All right, we're coming back this week with, we got two baits here. One is a rock crawler light bait. Both these are from Lure Build. I purchased, this is kind of his knockoff of the Sonic side, good looking bait, circuit board lip. Anyway, we're going to be putting on a crawl pattern, and this one's going to be PBJ, man. My little take's going to have a few different, or maybe one other color and a little bit brighter than usual, but here we go. Started off with a base coat. Now this is my own concoction. This is a white with a little raw sienna, a couple drops of that in it, and sand to kind of make that a very off-white color. Almost a bone, but a little bit darker than a bone. Okay, so first colors we're going to lay down is yellow ochre. I'm going to come in with our kind of got that built up a little too hard in there, but come back. I'm going to leave a little bit of room behind that eye. I didn't on this side, but that'll be okay. I'm going to put a little bit of orange. A little bit of orange on his head too, so and this is where it's a little bit different than most of your PP&Js, but I want that orange in there. right, now I've got to add the jelly to the mix. So let me clean this airbrush out. In the meantime, we'll talk about, you know, this is a very prominent color in soft plastics. Probably one of my favorite, and I call them a young dinger, but Cinco's. It's one of my favorite colors on Lake Fork too. And this kind of gets into a, not really summer, but post-spawn, May, you know, that type of deal. I really, really like it. Obviously, water conditions have got to be right. Some of those things, but all right, now we're going to lay in our PB&J. I think that'll work for this one. Like that. Cut right into the point. All those different little colors in there is going to really add to it. All right, let me, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add some crawl segments onto the belly. Nice. Kind of liking it. It's a little different. Colors that went into this bad boy. Again, I already told you the base coat, little yellow ochre. That's our underlying color. Just a transparent light brown over the back, and then those two areas in location. Pearl tangerine, a fluorescent purple, and then obviously black for our stripes. Makes this unique, one-of-a-kind PB&J Craw. Tell me what you guys think. We're going to add some cool eyes to it. Probably do some kind of purple eye or maybe just a funky viper eye. You'll see it in the pics. Make sure you stay around to the end of the video. Check out these pics. They're going to look good. These colors should really pop once we get the clear coat on them. Again, thanks for checking out the channel, and we will see you guys next week.